Hello my dear students. Today is your MSc class, so I will send you video. Our today topic is lesson number 13. Stay healthy, stay fit. So here we discuss about the question answers of this chapter number 13 today. So you have given first question, what do you understand by health? What is the meaning of health? It is the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. So what is the meaning of this line? What is the meaning of physical, stable, mentally stable and social well-being? So it is mean when the person is physically fit, means it is having no any stress, and the mental physically they are, that person is active and do the work in a good manner, then it is said ki this person is physically fit. And what is the mean of mental? Mental means it, that person not having any stress. Mentally that one is be fit, it is become under mentally healthy person. And the social well-being means the environment where that person live, in that environment is also fit, means it is not having any type of disturbance, means any problem in this the environment where that person live. So what is the mean of this health? It is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Means if the person is be completely fit, means physical, from the physical aspects also, mental aspects also and the social well-being also, then only it is become under healthy person. Now the next one is a, what is a healthy community? So what is the mean of healthy community and who one is be healthy community here? The it is the one community which supports and improve the health of people living in it. I just give very simple example for the explanation of this question. WHO. I think all one hear the name World Health Organization. What is the work done by this WHO? It helps to be improve the health of people living in it. So this is the mean of healthy community. It work to be improve the health of person, and it helps to be sanitize the environment where we live and give a physically fit, means yoga exercise also. So these all are the activities is be maintained by the community of that particular area. So this community is known as healthy community, which helps to be improve the health of people living in it. So this is the work done by this community. Now the next one, why is balanced diet necessary? First of all, we have to know about the mean of balanced diet. What is the mean of balanced diet? That diet in which all the nutrients, what is the mean of nutrients? Carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, these all are the present in an appropriate amount. That diet is known as balanced diet. So means in which diet all the components, either it is be carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, minerals, these all are present, then it is known as balanced diet. For our body, this balanced diet is very necessary. So why we need this diet? Because it is be very necessary for the proper growth of children's. Means if we are not taken this diet, then we are not able to grow well. For example, in our whole day, if we eat chapatis only or parathas only, no eat any vegetables, pulses, then in our body only carbohydrate gone. So if this carbohydrate only gone to our body, we are not physically fit. And this diet is known as not known as balanced diet. So if we want to take balanced diet, pulses, green vegetable, chapatis, fruits also take part in this balanced diet, and it is also the main part of our diet. So this food contain various amounts of vitamins and minerals. and fat we get from the oily substances, protein from green vegetables, pulses, and the carbohydrate from grains, wheat, rice, we potato, banana, we get carbohydrate. So if we are taken all these things, green vegetable also eaten by us, vegetable pulses, wheat, rice, fruits, then only we eat a balanced diet. So this balanced diet is very necessary for the proper growth of our children's. So the next one question is, why must a healthy community promote mutual understanding among its resident? What is the mean of this? Ki what one work is done by this community to be mutual understanding among its residents. What is the mean of residents means neighborhood where we live. So the area where we live means the resident area. If they are not having mutual understanding means the person who are living in this particular area, they are not share their views with one another and not having mutual sharing and not having mutual understanding, then that particular area is not a healthy area. Why? Because that is not mentally free, mentally stress is in this area, particular area. So if we want a healthy community, want a stress free area. So stress free area only then a person having a mutual understanding. So the answer of this question, why must a healthy community promote mutual sharing, mutual understanding among its residents? Because social understanding between people has a positive impact on their mental health. Means if the person is be positively, is the person is be mentally free, then that is be happen then only when that person is be socially fit. Means the environment where that live, the environment is be completely stress free, then only then only it is be possible. So because social understanding between people has a positive impact on its mental health. I hope you will understand these questions. Bye to all my dear students. Have a nice day. God bless you.